Unlike the regular cooking methods, a microwave oven cooks food by using radiation. Now, this word radiation raises fear in some people's mind that the food cooked in a microwave oven can cause cancer. This video looks at the basic science behind a microwave oven's functioning to find out if this can happen. So let's begin this health sachet. A microwave oven cooks food using a radiation called radio frequency radiation. Such radiations are low in energy, unlike an X-ray radiation. Now, this word energy has nothing to do with power or wattage. It is decided only by the frequency of the radiation source. Now, I know it's a little difficult concept to wrap your head around. So let us leave that complexity for engineers like me and simply say that microwave radiation is a low energy one. Such low energy radiations are called non-ionizing radiations. They don't have enough power to yank an electron from a DNA molecule in the food being cooked. If that were to happen, such a process would be called free radical generation, and it is considered a prime mechanism by which cancer is caused in the body. Since that cannot happen in a food molecule cooked in microwave, there is no way this can lead to cancer when eaten. Another possibility is that a person may get cancer through foods if one consumes certain foods that are burnt, such as those that are cooked on a barbecue. Certain protein compounds in such charred foods can turn toxic. While that adds a tangy flavor, such foods can lead to cancer if consumed for long durations. But the microwave oven works on the principle of heating water molecules. Its radiation agitates the water molecules so much that they heat up and end up boiling. Now, once the water in the food vaporizes and escapes, the food cannot heat up anymore. So the temperature of the food being microwaved cannot even go above the boiling point of water, which is 100 degrees Celsius, except under some rare and very technical conditions. In fact, your normal cooking often reaches much higher temperatures than that. So if that is safe, your microwave cooking is even safer for cancer risk. In summary, don't worry about getting cancer by eating microwaved food. I hope you found this information useful. If you like it, do forward a link to this video to others and click on the like button below. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking in the circle in the middle and click on the box on the left to see more videos on this subject. Remember, ignorance is a very bad idea when it comes to staying healthy. Thank you.